So I was faced with raising Sean with his dad in a volatile environment. It was like Jekyll and Hyde. There were some days that Sean was great and I could keep him regulated, and then there were days that Sean was chasing his brother around with a butcher knife. I felt like I was living in an abusive relationship, but with my son. So I faced a lot of challenges with my mental health, a lot of depression, a lot of anxiety, a lot of self-blame. I started losing a lot of friendships because Sean was like this whirlwind tornado that would go in and would destroy every place we went into, and so we weren't welcome at places. We couldn't take him to the zoo or to the library for a fun program because I didn't know what was going to happen, how dysregulated he was going to be, or if he was going to run off, and it was a very, very scary time. I didn't know if he was going to make it to the age of 5. So I was like, you know what? We can't live this way.